Hey, in front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this REALME. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Following that, click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. Then tap on Sound Mode. Now you can set up Vibrate from the list to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Haptics and Tones. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!